Hello students, welcome to Soros's classes. In this video, I will be solving some objective questions from the book Tomato. Now in this question, we have function fx which is equals to x when x is rational and 1 minus x otherwise. Then we have to find where fx is continuous. Now from the question, it is clear that f is continuous only at point half. So the correct answer would be option number B, that is fx is continuous at exactly 1 point from 0 to 1, which is x is equals to half. In our next question, we have a function fx is equals to x sin x where x is not equals to 0. Now we are given that f of x is equals to 0 when x is equals to 0, then we have to find which of the following option is correct. Now, limit f of x as x tends to 0 is equals to limit x tends to 0 x sine 1 by x, which is equals to 0. Now since f of 0 is also equals to 0, therefore we can say that f of x is continuous at point x is equals to 0. Now limit f of x minus f of 0 divided by x minus 0 as x tends to 0 is equals to limit x tends to 0 x into sine 1 by x divided by x, which is equals to limit x tends to 0 limit x tends to 0 sine 1 by x. Now as x tends to 0, sine 1 by x does not exist. It does not exist, so f of x is not differentiable at x is equals to 0. So it is not differentiable, so our option number B, that is continuous but not differentiable at 0, is correct. In the next question, we have p0x is equals to 1, p1x is equals to x, and pnx is given by the function x into pn minus 1x minus pn minus 2x for n greater than equals to 0. Then we have to find the value of p tends 0. Now pn 0 is equals to 0 into p n minus 1 0 minus p n minus 2 0. This implies pn 0 is equals to minus p n minus 2 0. Thus we have our p10 0 is equals to minus p8 0, which would be equals to p6 0, which would be equals to minus p4 0, which would be equals to p2 0, which would be our minus p0 0. Now p0 0's value is equals to 1, so we have our p10 0 is equals to minus 1, which is our option number D. So our correct answer is option number D.